Yo, what's up? I'm back, finally. So let's get into it. Big fans. Yeah. Yes. All right. We're to the finish line. These are my big fans. I'm reaching the finish line. You my big fan. All right, come on. What? No. No. It's not time to start screaming yet. God. Oh, come on. Alright. Yes. Alright, come on. I got it. Calm, cool, and collected. Come on. Come on. Alright, this is going too good so far. Well, not at the beginning, but you know what I mean. God, come on. Okay. Oh, come on. I knew it was too good to be true. Come on. I had a thing going. I had a thing going. Yes. Now jump. Get on. Okay, come on. Come on. It's not too late. I can do it. I can still make it. Ah! Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Alright, come on. Come on. Yes! Alright, sick. Oh my god. No. Let me in! Okay. Yep. 100 run. Alright. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, how on earth is this gonna work? Oh, that's a snowball. Alright, giant snowballs, got it. Alright. Okay, so pretty simple. What the? Oh, okay. Freaking Quicksilver out here, Jesus Christ. Ah! Oh my god. Got my stuff in the— ah! Jesus! Let me out! Nah! What the hell, Breeze? Oh, there's another way I can go. Nah, I want to go this way. Please. Huh? Okay. Right, get out of my way. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. No. Yes. Yeah! No! Yeah! Come on. Huh? Alright.
Think fast, chocolate nuts.
What is it? Airtime. Oh. Score zone. I barely even know her. Like, I think we get the gist now. I'm gonna go over there. Spin these. Okay, I guess not. I got 1% airtime. Or zone time, whatever it is. How the hell do I get over there? Over here. Haha! Yes. Stay on now. Stay on. That fan's gonna kick our butt, ain't it? Come on. Yep. God! Get in! Come on, go back on it. That's the wrong one. Okay. Alright, get on, please. Dang, people already won. God, come on! Jesus Christ! God, just get in the mount. Okay. But Um. Hello? Excuse me. I need to get back there. Oh. I didn't get. It didn't even let me qualify for anything. Oh, and we're back. Lily Leapers. Wow. Lily Leapers. Oh no, I hate this one. Actually, I hate this one a lot. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got this. You got it. Boing. Boing. Squeaky! Boing. 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 You bastard. Boing. Boing. You slimy. Boing. Do the boing. Do the boing! Alright. Come on. 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 Come on.
You on X Games mode.
I'm on X Games mode. Alright, come on. Come on. God. Oh, hell yeah. I'm out here. Okay, I'm no longer out here. I'm back actually in here. God, okay, I'm still in. God, no, I want out of here. That's the whole point of me being out there. Huh? Okay, listen. Hit the lily pad. Hit it. Jump on it. Jump. Cut. You're supposed to get up, you slimy. Yes. All right. Oh my God, I'm gonna lose at this rate. Yes. 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 There's pads. Yes. At the left. Bring him out. Ow. I stubbed my toe. Alright. Track attack. Track attack. Alright, come on. 3, 2, 1. Go! I didn't mean to dive, but okay. Get out of my way, Mushu. God. It's the year of the chick. God! Get away! Oh my God. It's the year of the chicken this time. Not the year of the goddamn Mulan. Get out of my way. How? Get out of my way. Mushu, I swear to God. Oh. Oh my God. How dare you get in front of me? Get. No, please. No. I'm quitting. I'm just gone. I've left the scene. I only bit 2. I only got 2. I only made it 2 rounds. No, I only made it 1. Actually, I only made it. What? Treetop tumble. Alright. There's Among Us. Alright, here we go. Oh, there's giant hammers in my way. Okay. Yeah, don't worry. I'm good at getting cocked over by hammers. Get it? Because I'm a cock. Get it? Because I'm a... yeah. Get it? I'm a chicken. Cock. Yeah. Ah! Come on. Thank you. Oh, this way. Screw all you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah! Alright. Stop throwing berries at me, dude. What the? Is that a basket? That's a coconut. Ah! Alright. Okay. Yeah. Oh, freaking rhinos. No. Ha! You be. Ah! Alright. What the hell? Go. Yes. Yes. Oh my God, could I slide any slower? Dear God. I got it. Track attack again. No, I don't like this one anymore. I don't like this one anymore. After what they did last time. Oh. Oh. Alright, here we go. Come on. Alright. That one took a lot less time. Okay. Alright, 30 people. Again. Dinosaurs. Get out of my way, please. Duck. There's only one duck, and that's chicken. Go. Ah! God. Alright. Go, 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 go. Out of my way. I ain't falling down this time. I ain't gonna fall down this time. I'm not falling down this time. Yes. Yeah. What? I trip on a rock? Oh, wait. There was a way there. Come on.
We got a #1 victory.
That's what I'm talking about. How many people died? Is that a purple Among Us? God, why is there so many Among Us? Is that Sonic? Jump Club. Alright. I like this one. I like this one. This one's nice. This one's good to me. This one's good to me. Oh, and there's cannons. And there's cannons. Why wouldn't there be cannons, you know? I mean, like, there has to be cannons to make it more difficult, because, you know, everyone makes it. 12 people have to die. Alright, we're gonna be here a while. Oh, the shooting fruit. Get the hell out of my way! What the hell are y'all doing? Is that a blueberry? That's another one. I don't know, they only shoot berries? What if I'm allergic? Alright, I don't care. Oh my god! Shit! Okay, get out of my way. I'm just gonna run now. Ow. Get out of my way. Jesus Christ. Come on. I just gotta stay under this thing and I'll survive, pretty much. Oh, and then I gotta jump it, bro. Oh, come on. Ah! Oh! Come on. Get. Oh my god. These guys are gonna push me over. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Not again. Not again. Okay. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, these berries don't do anything to people. Oh, okay. 9 people have died so far. Oh my god, I got faster. Jesus, people are getting killed over by this goddamn blueberry. Ow. Let go of me. The chicken has to survive. Onward for the club to survive. Yes! How many people died that time? Oh my god. Well, it was 12. I don't know why I asked a question. But I can't do math either, so. Alright, where's it gonna be this time? Where is it? Come on, make it quick. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Wog! God, it might as well be called Five Guys! Alright. Come on. Come on. Come on. Jump. 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 Yeah, because you're good. You're good like that, you know? Come on, grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Why can't they grab it? I can't! Oh my god, I swear. You guys are gonna make me kill myself. Oh my god. Sonic, how the hell did you get up there? Oh, this is how we got up there. Oh, well, people made it easier for themselves. Because they can't. How? Ha! These guys! Oh. I'm getting left behind. Come on. Oh my god. Finally. Oh my god, this is it. This really? People have. Please, please, I'm begging you. I need to get up. I need to get. Oh. Yeah! Come on. Come on! Ah! I could have went the other way. I saw someone go that way. Yes! Whirlwind! Come on. Yeah. Now, don't make me angry. I swear to God. I swear to God. Please, just let me win this round. Please. Please. Oh! Oh my God. Please, just, please. 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 Hit me! Alright, don't hit me, I guess. I don't know why I jumped if I was gonna die. Jesus Christ. Yo, get the hell out of my way! Come on. Come on. I'm gonna go in the middle. Forget you. Forget all you guys. I'm going in the middle. Ha! I can't even get in the middle. If I can't get past this goddamn windmill.
Deal.
ほう、向かってくるのか。逃げずにこのディオに近づいてくるのか。せっかく祖父のジョセフが私のザワールドの正体を試験終了チャイム直前まで問題を解いている受験生のような必死こいた気分で教えてくれたというのに。
近づかなきゃてめえをぶちのめせないんでな。
ほほう。では十分近づくがよい。
No. Please. Oh my God. He almost held me back. I was about to scream. Alright. What? Where is it this time? Oh, the slime scaper. Oh, it's the one! It's this one! Alright, come on. I got this. I can do it. Yeah, I got it. I can do it. Yeah. I can do it. I just gotta remember my training that Master Sensei told me. Don't be stupid. Those were his last words until he perished. After I sliced. Oh God, I swear to God. Get away from me. Get away from me. Oh my. Oh my God. I'm gonna piss 27 bricks! Why the hell are you so happy? Yeah. I'll see you guys later. Yeah, I'll see y'all later. I'll see y'all in possibly a week from now. Or y'all will see me in a week from now. Who knows? I don't care. I'm pissed. Something fell. Alright, anyways. I'll see y'all next time. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. If y'all even care for more.